Hey guys, I'm Taylor Drury. Welcome to Killin' It in the Kitchen, brought to you by Cook with Cabela's. Today I am making elk enchilada shells. These shells are so tasty and the elk just makes them 10 times better. I love it because this could go as a meal or it could go as a finger food. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this elk enchilada shells recipe. Try it at home. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and thank you so much for watching this episode of Killin' It in the Kitchen.
We're adding new videos every week, so make sure to click that subscribe button and check out all of our amazing content. This episode of DoD TV was brought to you by Bass Pro Shops and Cabela's.